It's 3 in the morning, you're still awake, and you don't know what's going on in your child's room.
We've all tried to reassure ourselves as parents with a smart camera or something directly attached to our child. But all these devices only warn us when the problem is already there. Meet Mothair, a service that lets you look after your child with no cameras, no attachments, nothing on them. You just slip it under the sheet and that's it. All this information is available directly on your phone, live, and every morning you get your child's health report, readable in 30 seconds. Mothair learns your child's unique rhythm and alerts you to anything out of the ordinary so you can react in time.
Thanks to the thousands of hours of baby sleep we've captured, the technical expertise of our engineers, and the clinical expertise of the doctors we work with, we've been able to train advanced algorithms. We can provide parents with concrete data for monitoring, analyzing, and predicting any decline in their child's health.
Since I've been using Mothair, my nights have been much more peaceful, and my child's too. I can check his report on my cell phone every morning, see how he slept, track his activity. What's great is that it's a monthly subscription system. Unlike other monitoring tools, you don't have to pay 3, 4, or even 500 euros.
It helped me understand my daughter's first 1,000 days. Since she was born a month early, it really helped reassure me and know if she was breathing okay. It lets you know how long she slept. I use it for naps, for the night.
Mothair is now available on Kickstarter. Join us and pre-order our services today.